Playfulness and wonder is where creativity is born. I'm Nassia Inglessis, a Greek artist, designer and engineer, founder of Studio INI. We are in the exhibition Design You Can Feel in collaboration with the Zine and ASUS. We at Studio INI have created Willful Wonder that you see behind us, a new large-scale kinetic installation. I was invited to respond to the design ideology in ASUS. It was such a natural collaboration because of their deep thoughtfulness on materiality. The material that we used on the inside edges of the wing is the ceraluminum, the ceramicized aluminum, which is a beautiful process discovered by ASUS. And we invite the visitors to have that tactile interaction as they walk through the installation. The aluminum honeycomb is unique in how structurally strong it is, but also how well it dissipates heat. It's used in aerospace, in spacecraft, it's in the Voyager still roaming space, but rarely seen in its raw form. We're drawing data from the changes in the conductivity of the piece as people walk through it. And that data is used through a generative algorithm in AI to generate three-dimensional manifestations of the space. In that process, we're seeking to remind that AI is really a tool that can be quite empowering, but can keep the human element as a starting point. The material innovation, the sensorial experience, and the AI algorithm, they're all interlinked. In the end of the day, it comes back to the human, and it really comes back to creating that moment of wonder.